So this is a small little river that passes under a bridge. I've never ever seen this volume of water come through on this little river. It looks like the Ball River, man. So this is the amount of water that's coming through.
A lot of water is it.
It's crazy. It rained the whole night. Hard. There's trees coming down here. Look at that tree coming down here. I haven't seen crocodiles yet, but I'm sure with the water going like this, it is possible. Look at all the rubbish coming down this river. One thing, it's good, it's cleaning the system. Just hope all the fish can come back wherever they're going.
That bridge is a footpath for people.
The river you saw on the other side becoming a great big river, the Crocodile River, running right into Haribespoort Dam. You can see all the rubbish coming down here. Thousands and thousands of liters of water.